Gia, tell us where we are.
We're in the Gorky Park.
But exactly where are we now?
That's a good question. I think we're somewhere in the under the shade.
This is like a stair, like a seating, wooden seating above us. Why are we here?
Oh. It's raining and we gotta wait to get wet.
Right. But what were we doing before we
Waiting.
got wet?
Drinking wine.
Yeah, so we're having wine, bottle of wine in Gorky Park. Cheers. Hiding out with some others.
Waiting until the shower stops.
The music you can hear is some kids b-boy dancing. They don't mind the weather. Some others. We're all hiding under the sort of covered. До свидания.
Bye.